Toughest day yet. I went to the gym this morning and worked out. I had pretty good energy. I did the red light therapy. After the gym, I did some work at the office, and I'm starting to confuse days. I started to think it was Tuesday, and I started thinking it was Thursday. Then I remembered it was Wednesday, and I don't know. I did take some potassium this morning. I broke a tablet and mixed it with water, but I even considered breaking the fast today. I did meet some people at work that are also fasting. They're doing 7 days, and they encouraged me, but when I arrived home from work, I was just completely exhausted. So from about 8 o'clock till now, it's about 11:30. I've just been sitting on the couch and just trying to drink water and trying to just stay alert. I'm excited to go to sleep, and I'm hoping when I wake up tomorrow, everything will be fine. I've got 4 days left, and today's Thursday, the 26th, so I got Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, so 3 days left. See, I don't know what's going on. I'm on day 10, so I don't know. Maybe I'm not on day 10. I couldn't tell you. This is the delirious stage, I guess. All right, I'm gonna get some sleep.